was a rich cultural haven because there were so many Polish Jews and other Jews. So at one time there were 500,000 Jews in Buenos Aires, which was the largest Jewish population outside of New York in the Western Hemisphere. It was huge. So, and we belonged to a Yiddish-speaking club called the Yud Lamed Peretz Club. And it was a big organization, and it had sports clubs. It had Yiddish schools in one big campus. It had a library. It had a number of activities that took place. So it was a real social and cultural club that we belonged to, and we would go there, and that's where I had my first taste of Yiddish education. Now, we were all Yiddish speaking at home, of course, so that was my first language. And Spanish, of course, my second language. So I actually had time before we emigrated here to attend at least one grade or a year and a half of Yiddish school. My brother, who was 5 years older, already had gone through 5 or 6 years. And it was a very, very rich Yiddish experience because, everybody just spoke Yiddish, They spoke Yiddish at the club, they spoke Yiddish at home, even though we didn't live in a Jewish neighborhood in Buenos Aires.